What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue when your Instagram direct messages are not showing up or when you're unable to send them. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, try restarting your Instagram app. Completely close the application and open it up again. If the problem persists, then this issue is most likely related to your network connection. Ensure yourself that you're using a reliable network connection. Switch your connection from cellular to Wi-Fi or vice versa. And you can even make use of a speed testing site or application such as Speedtest. This will show you your current download and upload speed. If your connection is fine, then the user you're trying to contact might have blocked you, or they may have deactivated their account. You can find this out by looking up the user and visiting their profile. If you're able to see their posts and that you're still following them, then the problem is most likely related to your Instagram application. I recommend clearing your app cache in your device settings. Open up your iPhone settings and select General. Under iPhone storage, you can see if you have any available storage on your device. After a second or two, you can preview all of your storage information. Search for Instagram and here tap on Offload App. This will delete your application's cache, which includes data and stored information which could interfere with incoming direct messages. Lastly, ensure yourself that you're using an updated version of the app. In your App Store, look up Instagram and download any update that might be available to you. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any question and see you in the next one.